We are going to solve a Leetcode question which is called as count special triplets. In this question you are given an array that will have numbers and we are given few conditions that we need to satisfy in order to find the answer. So the condition is that we need to find three elements I, j and k where j should be greater than I and j should be less than k, and all these three values should be between 0 and the size given of the array. The second condition is that the value at ith index should be equals to twice of the jth index value. The third condition is the value of kth index should be equals to 2 times of value of jth index. That's how we are going to calculate a special triplet. The one of the basic approach that everyone should know is that what we are doing is that we are finding an element and we are checking if we have anything that is equals to twice of that element in left side as well as in the right side. So what you can do is that you can have a n square solution where what you will do is that you will select any element I or j, you will select any element j and you will traverse from that element to 0th element and from that element to n element, and you will try to find is there any way that you are getting a value which is twice the value of the selected element which is in right as well as in left. Okay, that's the basic brute force approach. So now let's understand what's the big O of n solution or 2-pass solution. So we have this case here. What we are going to do is that here in the brute force solution what we are doing is that we wanted to know what value we have in left side as well as in right side. So I have a thing that we can solve. So what we can do is that we can have a map that will have all the values, right? The approach is that we will have two maps. One is left map, one is right map. Left map will tell what are the values that we have seen till now which is left of this value, and right map will say these are the value which is right of this value minus the values that are in left. So what we are going to do is that we are going to save. So let's see, if we are at this ith index 0, then in our left map it will be empty, right? Because we don't have anything in our left map. But when we see in our right map, what will happen is that we will have all the values from 2 to 26 we will have in our right map. Okay, this will be a value in our right map. Then when we go to this index 2, like index number 1, what will happen is that we will remove one value from right map and we will have 84 here. Currently this is how we are going to maintain our left map and right map. This is going to tell us what is the actual value that we have seen in left and right. What will happen is that now we have the middle element is 2. So wait, let me do this. Okay, so our middle value is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. We are not able to find 4 in our left map as well as in right map. Right, in right map we have 4, we don't have 4. Now we will move to 93. Now we have to update this left map. Now we will have 2 here. Now we have to remove 93. For each iteration we are going to add element in left map and we are going to remove an element from the right map. Now we are at 93. So 93 and 93 is 186. 186 is not in left map as well as in right map. We are going to remove that. Now we will add 93 in left map and we are going to remove 1 from right map. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have 2 in our left map as well as in right map. But here's a twist. What is the twist is that if you see closely, there are total 2 combinations possible. What is that? If we select 2 from left map and 2 from middle, the selected element from here, and then if we select first 2 from right map, we can have one combination, and again if we select 2 from left map and 2 from the selected element and second 2 from right map, we can have 2 different solutions, right? One was with taking the first 2 and one with second 2. So that's how. So what's formula is that count of that value like selected value into 2, like left count into right count into 2. So this will be a actual value. If we plot our values, 1 into 2 equals to 2. So we have total 2 solutions, right? This is the main thing that we need to keep in mind. Let's go ahead. We have 2 as our answer till now. Okay, now we will add 2 here, 2 here, we will remove 2 from here. Now we have 2 here. Now what will happen is that okay, now the selected element is again 2. We have 2 here, and here we have 2. Okay, actually here it should be 1, and this value is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. We are not able to see 4 in left side, we are not able to see 4 in right side. So we are going to remove it. We are going to add 2 here, we are going to remove 2 from here. Now the value that we have is again 2. 2 into 2 is 4, which is not present in left side as well as in right side. So what we are going to do is that we are going to pin 2 here, and we are going to remove 26 from here. Now what will happen is that we are having 26 as a value, which will be multiplied by 2 is 52, which is not present in left map as well as in right map. So our final answer is 2. That's how we are going to solve it. Let's go through the code. We are having 2 maps, left map and right map. In right map, I'm going to store instance of like frequency of every element which is present in a nums array. After that, what we are going to do is that we are going to compute value like selected element into 2. Then the first thing is that we need to remove from the right map. So the thing that I did, I was removing values from right map and adding to left map. So I'm removing from left map, and if in some cases right map value goes below 0, it means that we have to remove that key itself from the map. So we are removing the key itself from the map. After that, what we are doing is that we are simply checking for count, and same for left as well as right map. If both are present, then we are simply going to add the count. Count will be like left value of what is the frequency in left map into frequency in right map, that I just showed you. The reason behind that also I told you. After that, we have to simply mod the value, because in question it's given that the answer may be large, so we need to return modulo 10 to power 9 plus 7. After that, we are going to simply add the value that we have seen in the left map. After doing this, we have to simply return our answer count. Let's run the code.